Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to manage branch locations. This is a logged in activity, so you must have a Maine tax portal username and be logged in to do this. We'll start off on the logged in home screen in the summary tab and navigate to our sales and use tax panel, where we'll click the option to manage locations. On the first screen, we can see all of our existing locations that are currently active. From here, we have two options to edit these locations. We can add a new location by clicking the Add Location hyperlink, or the blue pencil to edit an existing location. We're going to start with editing the existing location, so we'll click that pencil. We'll start with editing. In editing the location, you may update the information such as the location name or address, or you can close out the location by adding a location close date. This will add an additional question. Are you sure you want to close this branch? And for the purposes of today's demonstration, we're going to say yes. We'll also add a reason for the change. This is a free text box, so you can enter in whatever reason applies to you and your business. And we'll click OK to save the change. We can also add an additional location by clicking the Add Location link. In this pop-up window, all required fields are indicated by a red asterisk. So we'll enter in our location name, location start date. We'll enter in our business activity for this location. This is a free text box, so just type in whatever applies to you and your business. We'll also answer two yes or no questions. The first being, do we anticipate greater than 3,000 in gross sales per year? And the second being if this taxpayer is a marketplace facilitator. We'll select our location from a drop-down menu. And we'll click the option to select a business code. This brings up another pop-up window where we can enter in a keyword and click search to see any business codes that match that keyword search. We can see a brief description once we've selected a business code. Once we've confirmed that this matches us and our business, we'll click OK. And the corresponding business code has been populated in that field. And we'll enter in our physical address for this branch location. As always, addresses must be verified by the U.S. Postal Service by clicking the blue hyperlink. And once the address has been verified, we'll finish this out by answering the question, does our mailing address differ from our business address? And we'll click Add. And we can see that our new location has been added to the table. We'll look this through and confirm that everything looks correct. Since that is the last change that we wanted to make for this demonstration, we'll click Next to proceed. On the Submit page, we can see that all changes to locations will be reflected immediately after submission. Newly added locations will be automatically added to your return when filing. We'll read through this message and click Submit. That brings us to the confirmation page. We'll click OK to navigate back. And we're brought back to the Summary tab, where we'll click the option to manage locations, again, in the Sales and Use Tax panel. And here we can see that the table has been updated with the changes that we made. So Site 1 has been closed out and is no longer in the table. Site 3 has been added and already has a certificate number that we can view. That concludes our demonstration of how to manage branch locations. Thank you all for watching.